Trapezoidal and corrugated roof tile making machines are designed to work with a wide range of materials, including galvanized steel, aluminum, and various coated metals. This versatility allows manufacturers to cater to diverse customer preferences and regional roofing requirements. These machines incorporate advanced automation systems that significantly reduce human intervention during the manufacturing process. The trapezoidal and corrugated roof tile making machines represent a significant leap forward in the roofing industry, enhancing production efficiency, quality, and sustainability. With their material versatility, high production capacity, and customization options, these machines empower manufacturers to meet the diverse demands of the construction sector effectively. As technology continues to evolve, it is likely that further advancements in roof tile making machines will continue to shape the future of roofing materials and construction practices.